Well, we're just a few short days away now from New Year's Eve, and for many of us, that means getting together with loved ones and the traditional New Year's kiss.
You're ready to have a good time, right? But doctors are warning people that kiss could wind up with a cold or even the flu. Our Chase Houle spoke to some local doctors on what they're seeing after some of them just celebrated Christmas. Hey, Chase.
Hey, so yeah, Felicia, Jenny. So over the holiday weekend, doctors say families were passing more than plates at the dinner table. They say over the last few days, more and more people have been coming in sick with a variety of symptoms. Doctors' offices, hospitals, and urgent care facilities are being bombarded with patients.
We commonly see at least a tripling of the rates of these respiratory illnesses after holiday gatherings.
Dr. Ethan Blocker-Smith is a primary care physician at IU Health, seeing anyone from adults to kids.
We've seen a sizable number of older adults coming in with COVID, influenza, and RSV, typically with fevers, chills, sometimes nausea, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, congestion.
Dr. Chris Ross works for the Community Health Network in the emergency room. He says not only does the ER see an influx of patients during the holidays, but this year he's seeing patients with multiple respiratory illnesses simultaneously.
We're seeing some patients with flu and COVID and some patients with flu and RSV. It's really all a smattering of everything at this point in time. It's in all ages of patients. We've seen older patients with a couple different viruses at one time. We've seen younger patients with a couple different viruses at one time.
As for those thinking about going to the ER to get treated for your respiratory infection, Dr. Ross says you may be waiting a while to see somebody.
After going through triage, they're sorted into a certain category that is not able to get them back to the room quite as quickly, just because we have other sicker patients that are back.
And both Dr. Blocker-Smith and Dr. Ross recommend staying home this New Year's Eve if you're feeling sick. This way you can stop the spread, and guess what? You'll wake up in the new year being refreshed, being healthy, being happy.
Yeah, that's what we want. And don't get anyone else sick.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Right.
be responsible, folks. Thank you, Chase.
Thank you. Well.